go to the setup. It is asking for next. Again it is going to verify system requirements. It will take some time, just 1 or 2 minutes only. Now you can see here, yes, installing podman. Okay, Windows, right? We installed with Linux subsystem. Go with this one only. Yeah, it will take some time. And it's going on, but we have to make sure our drive should be we need to keep some space. In my laptop I think so. Let me show my here. Go here, see C drive completely filled. Okay, we may get issues later on, but now it is okay. Once you are spinning up like databases or containers, right, and in that case we'll get the issues. Keep some space. Okay, it is installing. Again verify this space, how much it is occupying. 5.5. Meanwhile we'll see in with help of podman. Okay, desktop, we can build container images, managing containers and creating pods. We can deploy Kubernetes with OpenShift and the databases also. You can pull the databases whatever you want. Suppose you want to pull Cassandra database, or you want to pull some other databases like MySQL, PostGres also we can pull, and you can start workout. Okay, again back. Now you can see it has been installed successfully. See here, you can see the version 5.3 version be installed. Okay, thank you. And how to deploy the containers and how we can able to build these things later we'll discuss. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.